Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I will show you what is the default graphics of the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme GT device. Yes friends, this is a question which has been requested by plenty of my subscribers asking me to show the default graphics. That is what this video is about. I'll try to do the separate video for the gameplay, but this video let's focus on the what is the default graphics, and is the exact model which I'm trying to use, which has got the Snapdragon 888 chipset and 8GB RAM variant, as you can see friends. And let me try to take a look at the refresh rate, whether I'm trying to use a high refresh rate or not. Before starting the test, let's get the confirmation, and I'll try to select the high refresh rate, as you can see. So I did select the 120 Hz refresh rate, that's good. And now let me try to open the game, which is a Battlegrounds mobile game. And in case if you want to download this live wallpapers, so make sure to check the playlist, so which is available in the description. The playlist will give you the clear idea what is happening. Let's see friends whether the phone will be able to support the 90 FPS gameplay or not. That is what my main focus will be there in this video. So which is a version is of 1.5.0, as you can see exactly. This is an benchmark version. This is a Battlegrounds mobile version which I'm trying to use in this video. So I'm really interested to see friends, and this is my first time opening the game as well. So let's see what happens in this Realme GT device regarding this default graphics. Let me need to quit everything and let's take a look at the graphic settings in this phone. Finally friends, here goes 1 2 3, and let's go to the smooth and extreme. Yes, so we do have the 90 FPS out of the box in the Realme GT device, so you should not be worried at all regarding usage of the config file or any other GFX tool. So out of the box you're getting the 90 FPS absolutely working fine, but the thing is that whether the 90 FPS is actually working or not. Let me try to take a look at that. I'll try to select the 90 FPS at this point, as you can see. 90 FPS selected, and is the real-time FPS meter which is available by the Realme, which will definitely show you the real-time FPS what is happening as well. So let me try to start playing the game, and then let's see what is happening with the real-time FPS. It's kind of becoming 0. As you can see, it's not increasing. So then we need to enable the real-time refresh rate option which is available here. As you can see friends, I did enable the real-time refresh rate, and at this moment I'm getting only 60 Hz refresh rate. So I think right now even the Realme GT is also suffering the same problem which the Realme X1 Max is suffering previously. So is the Realme X1 Max, even the Realme X1 Max has got the similar kind of problem, that the Battlegrounds mobile game got updated to the 90 FPS, but the Realme UI at this moment kind of restricted, not restricted, but if you try to use different tricks, maybe it may be working. Let me try to do. So it's not working friends. Even I did try to use the brightness trick as well in this device. At this moment it's not working at all. I'm trying to use the 90 FPS only, as you can see exactly, but still it's showing only 60. So the game got officially updated in this Realme GT. That's fantastic, but the Realme should fix this kind of issues maybe very soon, as soon as possible, because the Realme GT users, they'll definitely buy this phone maybe for the gaming as well, hardcore gaming. So they should not feel this kind of issues with this device. It's a very expensive mobile phone, 35,000 and 38,000 mobile phone without bank discount cards. So it's a kind of thing which is happening with this device. But overall the default graphics is supported with the 90 FPS. That's the one thing. So let's see friends whether the Realme will be fixing this issue or not, because at this moment still the Realme X1 Max, the 90 FPS issue is not yet fixed. It's been I think more than 2 months after using this device, still the issue not got fixed in this device. So I'm not sure when the Realme will be fixing in the Realme GT as well. But overall these are the default graphics you can actually get in this device: smooth and extreme, HD and extreme, HDR and extreme, and let me try to tap, and Ultra HD is also available I think. Let me try to go to the lobby and let me try to check once again. Then I'll try to show you the complete settings, and then I'll try to end up this video as well. Let me try to skip this part, skip it. And this very sad part friends, we are unable to play with the high graphics settings, I mean a higher FPS count at this moment. And yes, Ultra HD is also available. That's also another thing which is available at this moment, as you can see friends. That's fantastic. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below about the Realme GT. I'll try to upload as many videos as soon as possible. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.